In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit vectors in Figma. If you have vector shape, you will see label as vector in layers panel. Select vector shape on your canvas. At first, you want to see anchor points or control handles, like in other vector programs. To enter edit mode, either double click on vector or click on edit object button at the top toolbar. This will display all anchor points, nodes of your vector. Once in edit mode, you can click and drag an anchor point to reposition it, or you can click on anchor points to adjust handles to change curvature of the lines connected to that point, or you can hold Shift to constrain movement or modify handles symmetrically. Press P to activate pen tool. In this mode you can add new anchor points, clicking anywhere on the path. You can remove anchor points by selecting point and press delete or backspace, or edit handles for smoother curves or sharp corners. You can activate bend tool to adjust curve of the line between 2 points. Click between 2 anchor points to drag line and reshape it. You can also click on handles of anchor points to adjust curvature of connecting segments. Pen bucket tool allows you to fill area with color directly. You can also adjust fill color from the properties panel on the right side. And you are done editing vector. Click on Done button in the top toolbar to exit editing mode. Vector will return to its group non-editable state, making your canvas cleaner.